Hi everybody, it's Mark from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning and thanks for joining us in today's video. In today's video we're going to discuss how to choose an exterior cleaning company for commercial window cleaning. So this might be for offices, it might be for warehouses, it might be for the automotive industry, wherever it's a commercial based property. So commercial window cleaning can be a huge job on some properties. Largest commercial property that we've worked on was BT Tower in central London, which was working from a cradle. So when it comes to those bigger properties, there's obviously going to be a bigger price tag because obviously there's a lot more time and effort put into those types of properties. So how should you pick the right company for you? So do your research, look at reviews, maybe ask your wider network for a referral for a company that maybe clean their property, do your searches. Don't just go for the first person that can actually get to the top of Google. Chances are they might be great from a marketing point of view, but they might be really bad at cleaning windows. So just get a feel for the right person that's going to be the best fit for you and your business. So compare prices. So because it's commercial properties, if it's a bigger property, there may be some factors that need to be taken into consideration. Does it need to be reach and washed? Does it have to be cleaned from a cradle? Does it have to have a cherry picker? So there's lots of factors to take into consideration and make sure you are comparing apples for apples. One of the other things that's best to look for is the experience. If you contact a company that only started out in business last year compared to a company like ourselves that have been going for 27 years, the chances are that you're going to probably feel a lot more confident you choosing a company that has that amount of experience. Not only the experience, but also the knowledge on the different methods of window cleaning for commercial properties. Again, we've talked about using cradles, cherry pickers, whether it's reach and wash or traditional window cleaning skills, which, I'll be honest, is one of those things that people do struggle with now because of the reach and wash system. Do they know actually how to clean windows traditionally? The other thing that you could also do is check out their social media feeds. So by seeing their feeds, you can see exactly how they operate and how they work, and you'll also understand and get to know their team as well. So that's Mark from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, trying to give you an insight today on choosing the right commercial window cleaning company for your business. So you can contact us on our website at alfrescoec.co.uk, or you can call us here on 0333 567 2727. Thanks very much.